And God has appointed this in the church. First, apostles. Sino sa inyo natutuwa na kailangan magtayo ang Diyos ng apostol para iayos yung magulong takbo ng church? Kaya hindi pumayag ang Diyos na sa bawat panahon, generasyon, walang apostol. Sila his hands on me, said, Son, build me a true church. Teach my people to love me, to serve me, to worship me, and to obey me. Teach her to be like me. That is the mandate. For whom He foreknew, He also predestined to be conformed to the image of His Son, that He might be the firstborn among many brethren. That is our calling. This is the reason why God called you. This is the reason why God saved you, called you, and anointed you to be like Jesus. Na kailangang maintindihan ng church na pag naligtas ang sino man, kaagad ang kanyang destiny ay maging kagaya ni Jesus. Being like Jesus. Begin in His presence. Continue in His presence. And end in His presence.